happening?
Good, brother. Good, baby. Brother. Johnny boy.
All right, boys, this earlier. Everybody take a big, deep inhale with me. Exhale. Keep one more. Exhale. Breathe in confidence. Exhale down. Get tighter, consistent. We're violent. We're aggressive. Go make a play, boys. Touch the 3 on the 3.
Yeah, we ain't had a complete game yet as a whole group. Everybody fly around. Let that play out how it's gonna play out. Story already written. Let's shine tonight. Slides on these, slides on 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide out. Come on.
Hey, come on.
Pop.
Hey, anyway, come on, all night. Come on, let's do it.
These jerseys are a little tighter.
They're a little tighter. Hey, guys, I'm not fat. I'm just a little tight. Oh, here we go.
Let's lock on. Lock on tight. Lock on tight. Tight. Lock on tight. Hey, we on demon time today. Let's go. We the big dogs in the fight. Let's bring that to these boys today. Let's go. Tell me that 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's work. We great today, boys. Yeah, sir.
Go, boy.
Yeah.
What's down? 2 down. 3 down. Right now. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all, we know what it is right here, right now.
I need it.
Right here, right now.
I need it.
Hey, anything that move.
Let's
Let's
get
go
it.
them.
Start
Okay, we the best.
Yes, sir.
Let's show this.
Let's go, boy.
Let's do 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Woo!
It's on, bro. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. Stay healthy, boy. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy, they can read.
Let's go, motherfucker.
Yeah! Damn tails, boy. All right, offense gonna go down. Bomber, first play.
We don't nobody can fucking stop us. You know that.
Don't be scared.
A little bit. Don't be scared.
Great job, Rotate. Great job, man. Great job. Hell yeah. Yes, Sam. Yeah. Hey, good coverage. Good coverage. Tight ass, thick ass coverage all game.
Talking about Biscuit? Yeah.
Stepping up like
Don't miss the layup. Don't miss the layup.
I would have been there.
I feel great execution.
locked in all the way. They locked in all the way. They locked in.
One at a time. One at a time.
One at a time. Oh, you got it.
Nice job, Bill, boy. That's a nice job right there.
Great stop. Nice stop, everybody. Good job.
I see you, right. Hey.
Yes, sir. Come on. Stop, boy. Ball. Come on, man. Let's go get that.
Hey. Big time. Big time. Damn, bro.
Birthday, boy.
Yes, sir.
Good job, man. Good job. Fred. Huge, man. Big time. Let's go. Let's go.
George, does this feel like your Thanksgiving table at home?
Oh, yeah. We came in with all my best friends, basically my family. Where else would I rather be than here at Seattle's home field eating turkey legs on Thanksgiving? Nothing like it. Hey.